PV system, general mechanical installation. The PV array has to be provided with proper ventilation for cooling and to prevent overheating or fire risk. The other general considerations are: array frame and material has to be corrosion resistant. Array frame has to be correctly fixed and stable, and roof fixings should be weatherproof. All cable entry shall be thoroughly sealed and made waterproof with UV-resistant silicone sealant or equivalent. Cables through roofing shall be contained in roof entry boxes, which also shall form a waterproof seal to avoid leakage.